Greetings Java viewers and welcome to the 11th tutorial, part 2 of the Minecraft mining for beginners with Forge 1.6.2, I think. I didn't say that. No, I don't know. Anyhow, in this part, we're going to be looking at making our own item armor file. So let's just get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and make that file in our package for items. And call it item medium armor. Really not that hard. Alright, so first of all what you want to do is this has to extend item armor, the basic armor file. Next on, we want to make a constructor for it. So medium armor. There's one integer at the beginning. Then there is the enum armor material. Let's call that part 2. We have another integer. And we have another integer again. Alright, super part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Like that. Now we want to do this dot set. Yeah, Control C stop. This dot set creative tab main class dot medium semicolon. Alright, I'm just gonna copy this from no, I'm not. Alright. So this is a little different from normal because we're making 4 different items and using the same file. So we want to use if statement. You know what I mean. If statements. Yeah, there we go. So first of all, we want to make an if. So if this dot item ID, which means if the item ID is equal to, and we want to make it main class dot medium helm dot item ID. So this is basically if it's the medium helmet, then what it's gonna do, and that is item icon. Let's just change this into power 1. Item icon equals power 1 dot register icon, and that is medium. Medium, yes, it's medium. And medium helm, I think I called it. Let's just put him in now, actually. There, bam. Alright. Whoa. Then we want to make an else if. So else if this dot item ID is equals to main class dot medium chest dot item ID dot item ID, then it's gonna return item icon equals power 1 dot register icon medium medium chesticle. Let's just copy this 2 times. Make this medium leggings. Then it's gonna give back the medium leggings texture. And if it's the boots, then of course it's gonna give the boots texture. Now let's just make this in the end. You don't need this, but I'm just gonna put it anyway. This dot item ID equals main class dot. No, actually we don't need that. Fail. Else item icon. Right. Yeah. Item icon equals and the register icon medium gem. So which means if there's none of these textures in the item in this assets file, it will just give out a medium gem. I don't know, I just like to add that. Alright, that's basically it. Now what you want to do now is to make a new assets folder. I can't see that on your screen. I'm just gonna go ahead and have a guess. So I believe it's assets.minecraft.models.armor. And in here you want to drag in your layer files, your actual armor files. And let's go ahead and press this green button up here, which is the run button. Let's see if it works. Alright, my mistake. The assets folder has to be called something else. No, I don't think there's a rename in Eclipse. There probably is, but I can't be bothered to find it. So let's just remake it. So you want to do assets dot Minecraft dot textures dot models dot armor. Yeah, it should be spelled right. And let's put them in again, and let's run it again. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, we have a medium helmet here, and it looks awesome. Now, one thing I did mistake here was they're all called medium helmet. We're just gonna go back in the code and fix that. But as you can see, it works, and yeah, the armor is on. So let's just get back into the code and fix the name problem. So let's have a look at the code and see what the problem is. Oh, yeah, that was not really a problem, but my mistake, guys. Alright, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these two tutorials, or I mean, this tutorial in these two parts. And I don't know if you guys like seeing my face, if you know what I mean. Like, should I keep having face cam on, or is it laggy? I don't actually know if it's laggy or not, but yeah, tell me in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye. Public static armor material. We could just end it now. No, I mean enum armor mod